Hello, my name is Carlos Garcia, and yes, or I am a mechanical engineer studying from Ecuador. Today, unlike with my family and studying at university, I'm going learning, netting, and improving my skill every day. My daily routine is very simple. Is get up 7 a.m. and take a shower, take a hot breakfast, and prepare for my classes. Attend University Zurich. Then I that studying different subjects related to engineering is RY 3 to be responsible with me studying y usually do me homework after classes. I am often studying at night because I want to wake up Candace and something speak time with my friends and family. I rarely miss classes because education is very important to me. It's my friend thing. I like to relax, watch videos, and learn more about technology and my channel. No, let me tell you about my life year. Year I'm going to be Lee Balchar, Ecuador. I'm going to be successful mechanical engineer. I am going to use Cannot Lehek to help people and solve technical problems. I am going to hold modern mechanical workshop. I am also going to have a sparring part story with consumer and quality products for their visit and machines. I want to have comfortable housing, have happy family. I'm going to work and very die to eat then and go live. I am going to continue and learn and prove my profession skill. I'm going to my community, my creative hub and sporting local project. I'm going to travel to different countries and route the world on places. I'm going to visit in Australia because I'm why to live and book is culture cities and beautiful landscape. I'm going to save money, achieve my goal, and build successful future. My living that with dedication, effort, and persevere and cake me dream to drink the you every move for you me video.